Hello students, in this video we will see how to download the Tableau software. So just go to the Google and there you type download Tableau. So you can see the first tab is visible, that is download Tableau desktop. So here just click on the tab and you will see the Tableau desktop window is appear, and here is the 14 days trial version. So this software, that is Tableau public desktop, is free only for the 14 days. So after filling all the information, just click on the download free trial. So this software is free for 14 days only. So this is the one Tableau desktop, but you need to download the Tableau public. So here you can see download Tableau public tab is there. So just click here Tableau public and you can see. So click on the Tableau public. After this, you can see go to the Tableau public and here create download Tableau desktop public edition tab is there. So just click there and after filling all the information, click on the download the app button. So here let me try this. After filling all the information, you can see, then you select your role. So suppose my role is teacher and country is India, and just click on the download the app. After that it will ask you for what you want to download, like for Windows or for Mac. So I'm clicking on the Windows and you can see that software is downloaded. So I have already downloaded, so that's why I'm pausing this, and you can see on my desktop Tableau folder is there, and here I have downloaded both the software, that is Tableau public desktop and the Tableau desktop only. So this first one, that is Tableau desktop, is free for 14 days, and this is the free one, that is Tableau public desktop. So I have already installed both the software in my machine by following the steps only. Just click on the next button and it will successfully downloaded. So here you can see one is there, that is the Tableau. You can see over here the Tableau. So this one is the Tableau desktop. So first I will tell you the Tableau desktop, and then I will show you the Tableau public as well. So these two, some little bit difference is there in both the software. Otherwise both are similar. So you can see here it is showing that Tableau desktop. So this is the window and you can see I have already installed this 10 days back. So that's why it is showing me your product trial ends in the 2 days. So I'm just continuing that trial version because it is free for 14 days. And on the left hand side you can see the connect section is there. So with this you can connect to the different data files. Okay, so Microsoft Excel, text, JSON, so different uh, sections are there here, and with this you can connect to the data. Now you can see below here the save data sources tab is there. So you can see with this Tableau desktop the default database, that is the sample superstore dataset, is available here. So I'm just clicking on that sample superstore. So you can see under the data sources, this sample superstore data source contain different table, order table, people table, return table. So these different data tables are available. So now I am working on this sample superstore dataset. So after going to this sheet tab, here you can see currently I am in the data source tab. Now after clicking on the sheet tab, now I am in the here in the sheet window, that is, and here you can see on the left hand side the order table is there, and below are the fields of the order table. After that people table is there, below are the field of the people table, and then return table, below are the fields of the return table. And here you can see Tableau is automatically segregating the dimensions and the measures. So whatever you can see here, discount, profit, quantity, sales, order, these are the measures, and above you can see these are the dimensions. So Tableau is automatically segregating the dimensions and the measure. Now whatever you want to do, like whatever questions you want to ask to your database, so you can ask the question, and accordingly you can just create the visualization. So here in the workspace window, you can create the visualization and you can save the visualization. So just dragging and dropping, you can see. Suppose I want to see the product wise sales. So I'm just clicking the product over here and suppose sales I want. So I'm just clicking and you can see this is the product wise sales. So I have dragged that product onto the column section and the sales into the row section. Suppose you want to like do in the different way, like sales on the column section and category in the row section. So you can do that. So here you can see swapping. I want to do the swapping, so I have swapped the two things. Again I want to do the swapping. So you can see now the product is on the x-axis and cells on the y-axis. So this is how you can do. So it is very easy to do the visualization. So you can see now it is in the descending order. After clicking here, it is in the ascending order. So likewise you can use. And now you can see I want to see the save the file. So here let me save the file. Earlier I have already saved the two file. So this file is saved in the my Tableau repository workbook. So now I am just saving my file with the name as the test4. Just click on the save button. So this file is saved. So this is how one is there, that is the Tableau desktop. Now let me show you the another one. So first I am closing this one and now I am opening the Tableau public. So this Tableau public is a free software. So you can use this, and the Tableau desktop is not the free. Actually it is free for 14 days only. So now you can see this is the Tableau public. So here on the main section you can see heading Tableau public dash book 1. So by default the name is the book 1, and here you can see this is the connect section, and here you will not able to see that sample superstore data source. So by default this is not there in the Tableau public. If you want to connect to that sample superstore dataset, so first you need to download that dataset from the Google and then you work with that dataset. So here you can see I have already downloaded in my download folder. It is there, that sample superstore dataset. So I am just clicking over Microsoft Excel, and here that you can see sample superstore dataset is there. So I am just clicking on the open, and now you can see here the sample superstore, and it contains these three tables. So I want to work on this order table. So I'm just dragging that order table over here. Yeah, you can see here that table is dragged and the table is containing these 21 fields and 9994 rows are there, and these are the field you can see over here. These are the first 100 rows are visible over here, and you can see this is the field name, that is the attribute name, or you can say the column name, row ID, order date, and this is the data type. So here you can see ABC is nothing but a text data type. This calendar is showing the date. It is a date data type. This globe symbol is showing this field is related to the it is containing some geospatial data. And here you can see numerical field. It is showing that it contains the numeric data or the quantitative data. So accordingly you can see over here in the data source section. Now you can see below it is showing that go to worksheet, right? So I am clicking on the sheet 1, and here you can see that order table having some field, and as I told earlier you can see these are the dimensions and below are the measures. So here you can see discount, profit, quantity, sales. These are the measures, and measures names is also visible. So likewise Tableau is segregating the dimensions and the measures. Now what I want, I just want to do the same visualization in the Tableau public, and I want to show you. So here I want to see the product wise sales. Okay, so I'm just dragging that uh, category over here. So yeah, you can see here categories there. Category wise sales I want to see. So I'm just dragging that category into the column section, and the profit we can say. So profit I'm just dragging profit into the row section. So now you can see this is the category wise profit. So for furniture, this is the profit. For office supplier, you can see wherever I am hovering the mouse over here, you can see the profit is also visible and category is also visible. Here the category is technology and profit is the this one, right? So likewise you can see, suppose you want that visualization in the descending order. So you can see the first one is the technology. So likewise you can do the visualization in the Tableau public as well. So now I want to save the file. So save this file. Again it is saving in the Tableau workbook. So default name I am keeping as it is, that is the book one, and you can see the extension of this Tableau is the .twb, that is Tableau workbook. So I'm just clicking over here on the save button and my file is saved, right? So this is how you can use the Tableau public and Tableau desktop. Only one difference is Tableau desktop is the trial version, you can use for the 14 days only. Okay, so this is all about the Tableau public and the Tableau desktop. Thank you.